Ever wondered what ChatGPT actually is or how you can use it, even if you're not a tech person? Let's break it down together step by step so you can start using ChatGPT today. ChatGPT is an online tool that lets you have conversations with artificial intelligence. Think of it like texting a super smart assistant who is always ready to help. You can ask it questions, get advice, brainstorm ideas, or even just chat for fun. And the best part? You do not need to know anything about computers or coding to use it. Here is how to get started, whether you are on your phone, tablet, or computer. First, open up your internet browser. That could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whatever you usually use to get online. In the address bar at the top, type in chatgpt.com and press enter. Once the website loads, you will see two options: log in and sign up. If you have never used ChatGPT before, click on sign up. You can create an account using your email address, or you can sign up with your Google or Apple account if you prefer. Just follow the prompts on the screen. It will walk you through the process step by step. After you have signed up and logged in, you will see a big chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Simply click into the box and type your question, request, or anything you want to talk about. For example, you could type, "What is the weather like today?" Or, "Can you help me write a birthday message for my friend?" When you are ready, either hit the Enter key on your keyboard or click the little send icon next to the chat box. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will reply with an answer. If you want to ask more questions or need more details, just keep typing. You can have a back and forth conversation, just like you would with a real person. If you want to save something ChatGPT said, you can easily copy the text and paste it wherever you need, like in an email, a document, or a text message. And if you want to start fresh, you can always begin a new chat at any time. There is no complicated setup, and you do not need to install anything if you are using the website. But if you prefer using apps, you can download the official ChatGPT app from the App Store if you have an iPhone, or from Google Play if you have an Android phone. Just search for ChatGPT, download the app, and sign in with the same account you created earlier. The app works just like the website. Open it up, type your question in the chat box, and get instant answers. It is free to use, and you can access it anytime, anywhere, whether you are at home, at work, or on the go. So what can you use ChatGPT for? The possibilities are endless. Need help writing a letter? Want to brainstorm dinner ideas? Curious about a historical fact? Or maybe you just want to chat and pass the time. ChatGPT is there for all of it. You do not need to worry about making mistakes or asking the wrong thing. Just type what is on your mind, and ChatGPT will do its best to help. And if you ever get stuck or are not sure what to ask, you can always start with something simple like, "What can you do?" And it will give you suggestions. With ChatGPT, you now have a 24/7 assistant in your pocket. No tech skills required. No stress. Just ask and go. Give it a try and see how helpful it can be.